To unlock Payroll, you have two options. Option 1, releasing all categories. Option 2, releasing particular ones. In case you want to release all categories, then first, log into the Cloud portal. Go to the Payroll menu. Under the Utilities submenu, click on the Pay Sheet Lock option. Select the month, year, and click on the Next button. Enter administrative password in the respective field. Select all categories and click Release to unlock all at once. If you select particular ones, then repeat the above process. Then, select the month and year. And click on Next. Enter admin password. Select particular category option. Tick categories to unlock, and click on Release. The selected categories will be released.